Sonam Raghuvanshi have been now sent to 8-day police custody by the Shillong Judicial Court. Now that they have been brought to Shillong as far as the honeymoon murder probe is now concerned, 4 of them, as far as the accused are concerned, were seen together in a picture. However, when it comes to the prime accused, Sonam Raghuvanshi has now been sent to 8-day police custody by the Shillong Judicial Court, where they were produced before the court after the police had taken their custody as far as Sonam, who was found in UP's Ghazipur, and other arrests that were also made by the police in states like Uttar Pradesh and also in Madhya Pradesh. However, it is now the Shillong police, as far as under their jurisdiction, that the case falls. We have Shivani joining us live right now for another update, as the accused were presented before the court yesterday. Shivani, they have now been sent to 8-day police custody. How does the police proceed from here on?
Well, indeed, at the moment of time, the statement of 5 of them will be recorded separately, and then cross-questioning will be taking place, but not face-to-face initially, Amita. And also we can see that their roles will be identified, scene recreation will be taking place, as we have known by far, that it was Sonam. At some point, at some location, she was alone with Raja. She will be taken to those places, and meanwhile, other 4 accused will be taken to those places where they had initially started off their journey of this, conspirated killing. And here after that, we can expect that meanwhile, in 8 days of custody, police will try to find out more such important grounds to extend their police custody for the further investigation, because there is also a platform in which Sonam alongside Raj can also be brought to Indore city again, because they had come back for a day, and also after that they had made some other plans, though they did not meet their family or friends otherwise. But what they exactly did here, was there any sort of other transaction that took place, is something that Shillong police alongside the Indore police is also eyeing upon. So we can expect that scene recreation will be taking place, spot visits will be taking place, cross-questioning will be taking place, and after that we can expect that face-to-face questioning will be taking place between Raj and Sonam first, and apart from that, with Raj and other 3... What about the
alleged confession by the accused of their said involvement in Raja Kushwaha Raghuvanshi's murder case is concerned? That is also being heard.
Well, indeed, it is being told that it was Raj Kushwaha that had instigated Sonam, had given her all the angles and had guided her, in fact, how this plan can be executed. It was Sonam that gave not for this killing, but it was Raj who had made this entire plan. It was him who had given her ideas, and also it was him only that had helped her to even book the tickets, find the restaurants, hotels, to roam around with Raj, and that is why they were commonly linked with each other while making this entire plan. Yesterday also, while we were speaking to Govind Raghuvanshi, who's a brother of Sonam, he also said the same thing, that Sonam is a much of aggressive woman in family, but she's not someone who will make this big level of conspiracy alone, and henceforth there is someone who was pushing her and was part of this bigger conspiracy. And as of yet, the investigation by the Shillong police states that it was Raj who had helped Sonam conduct every possible angle in this, conduct every possible
Shivani,
arrangement.
would like to speak of the first pictures of what is being said, accused in custody. Total till now 5 arrests that have been made by the police, and 4 of them were rather seen together. The men there in the picture, including Raj Kushwaha, and 3 of those Supari killers there you can see the pictures of the 4 accused in custody together, and along with Sonam, 5th arrest that has been made, and has also been said as the prime accused in the case, they have now been sent to 8-day police custody. So that is how, Shivani, the pictures that have now been shared of the 3 alleged Supari killers, the mastermind Raj Kushwaha, and of course when it comes to Sonam in this case also being called as the prime accused.
Well, indeed, Amita, a very interesting thing is that other 3 accused other than Raj and Sonam stays very near, close to, in the same lane, and in fact their neighbor also go on to say, in fact the landlord also goes on to say that there was some sort of irregular activities that these 3 boys used to do. Raj used to visit them, and in fact they had gone for an 8-day long tour, which just does not happen quite often. often. They can't go together. They have different works as well. So it clearly indicates that it was Raj who was guiding them, because Raj was the main link between Sonam and these three other hired accused. Basically, Sonam had assured them big amount of money, say that 20 lakh, 2 lakh, 50,000, 15,000. These were the amount that Sonam had promised them to pass on as they execute the plan slowly and steadily. And it was Raj that had found these people. He was the one who convinced them to become a part of this conspiracy.
Will now proceed with their investigation as far as when it comes to the case is now concerned. All of the accused now sent to 8-day police custody by the court. Thereafter, they were produced before the court. As far as when it comes to the murder mystery, seems to be now unraveling. For the moment, Shivani, thank you very much for joining in. That's a wrap on Morning Now. We'll be back on the other side with the Morning News Hour.